Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue with our course of Python and I'm gonna talk about for a little bit because I think it's needed some reinforcement. So let's just create a simple list. I'm gonna call it numbers again, and it's going to be we're gonna use the list function. I'm gonna use the range function to generate 100 numbers. This is the list that I just created, okay? And we're gonna use the for loop to iterate over this list. So I'm gonna create a for loop, as you guys can see. Okay, so just pay attention that this is the plural and this is the singular. I'm doing this because just formally, okay, to be formal, and I'm gonna call the numbers object and I'm gonna print each number. So this is one way to do this, and I'm gonna show another ways to do that. So what we could do also is to use a index. So I'm gonna drag this up a little bit. So okay, I think it's pretty good. So okay, so pay attention right here. Okay, so we're gonna use the range function to generate the same 100 numbers, but this time I'm gonna access the index of each element of the list. So what we're gonna do is to access each element by its index, okay? So you could do this by simply call numbers, and you could use this signal, this to access the index of a element. And if I execute, you guys will see the same output. So how does this work? So if I type numbers, I'm gonna see this. Okay, so just pay attention a little bit. So because we have a list, we need to access each element individually. But what if I wanted to access the 10th number or the third number, for example? How would I do that? So the thing is, with lists, we have indexes that you can use to access an element by its index. So, for example, if I call numbers and I give the index 0, which is the first one, okay, the first one is 0, not 1, and I'm gonna see 0 because, as you guys can see, the 0 is the first element of this list. So if I call numbers 10, I'm gonna see that 10 is the 10th number, and so on. If I call numbers 99, I'm gonna see that 99 is the number there. But if I call 100, I don't think I have 100. So what will happen? As you guys can see, we actually throw an error, which is called index error, which leaves index out of range because we don't have this index and this list. Okay, so as you guys can see, pretty easy to do that. You can actually change. For instance, let's do that. Let just numbers 5 will be equal to 9, for example. We did that, so let's just call numbers 5 to see if we have change. And you guys can see we have change. Okay, so numbers 5 now is equal to 9. So pretty interesting, right? So thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.